What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. My name is Barry. Today we're going to be doing some paddle shifter installs because these ones are the new ones that I got, and if you have been following closely, they're not as performance oriented. This is the OEM one. It's you know, if you really line it, it reaches out a little further, right? It reaches out a little further. But I got some new ones. Yeah, I got a new one. And we got these ones, which they're really higher up, right? And extend farther to the right. So I believe that paddle shifters should help you with, not performance, but help you shift better so that you can get maximum performance out of the car. These, not so much. So here's my hand placement, right? It's a little difficult. I have to move in sometimes. I don't like that. I'd rather have it where I just tap and ready to go. So today's video, I'm gonna compare the standard one, these ones, and the new ones. First thing I gotta do is start it and turn the wheel so that we can expose. All right, so we can expose the little screws on the top and bottom. There are definitely many ways to install this, but my favorite and the one I always go to is I turn the wheel like this, I move the seat back, I create space, and then I access it from underneath. It's just 2 Phillips heads. All right, so all I do is use the OEM screwdriver. All right, the target is that screw right there, and there's also another screw right there. So if I can get it, screwdriver, and let's get it. All right, eventually that's gonna fall out. Yep, just like that. It fell out. Now we got the other side. It's really easy. You do this, 2 screws and a clip, and then you should be fine. Bam, that's another one, and we just undo the clip, and then we are ready to, oh, you just slowly, watch out for the wire. Don't want to mess that up. Trust, this is easier with 2 hands. Bam, we got it out. So let's put the new one in. So negative, I'm sorry, not negative, downshift is blue. So now that I got that side out, I'm gonna put the left side downshift in. At least just put it in so you guys can see what it would look like. Okay, and I got it. It's kind of loose, but it's for visual representation. So, you know, my fingers, it's good, right? It's good to go here. This one, not so good. It's just finger tipped right there. This one, I can get a whole, like, first joint of my index finger in. This one, it's just like the tip. So, take that off, put on a new one. So, that's what it looks like. Got 2 screws there. Got the blue clip there. Now I'm gonna attach the new one and show you how easy it is. Okay, now I'm gonna attach the downshift, install it. All right, once you got the clip in, you can kind of just insert this, and bam, now it's in place. Now all we gotta do is put the screws in and we're good. So far, not too hard. Oh, except the screw drops off a lot. Okay, I managed to get the other screw to be on. Let's tighten it. You don't got to do it too tight or else you'll strip the screw, but just get it snug. Okay, there we go. Yep. Okay, and that was pretty much a success. So looking at these are much wider. It comes out here. This one only comes to this line right here. This one exceeds past the line. All right, a lot better. All right, that's exactly what I needed. My first index whole digit of my first joint, that's exactly what I needed. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. I got both of them installed. Not bad, not bad. It's got a good click sound to it. It feels a lot wider. I think I can, yep. As long as I can shift like this, if I needed to, down here. One finger trigger. One finger trigger. I like that. Pinky shift. Index shift. Two hand. Do a little one of those. Do one of these. I don't know. I'm gonna have fun with this. Previous ones were very nice looking, but if you just look at it, yeah, the amount of extension on that is. I mean, I'm not even trying to downplay it, but like, you know, yeah, there's a lot of extension on that one. So hopefully, hopefully this video gives you guys good insight on these paddle shifters. These OEM ones. Yep. Hold on. If I was to align it, I mean, this one still reaches further, but I like the extra height. All right, now that I got these installed, I'm gonna go for a test drive and see how much I like them. Let's go for it. First impressions is that my fingers are having such an easy time shifting, pulling the trigger. It's so much easier. I don't know what it is, but it's just, I think it's because the paddles are extended outwards, right? So you have more leverage, or it takes less pressure or less force for you to pull the trigger. The other ones I had, the other carbon fiber ones, it took a lot of like reaching in and trying to make it shift because it's so closer to the steering, the airbag. These ones are like effortless. I love it. Let's put it in Sports Plus mode. Track mode. So much easier. I can shift from up top, shift from down here. It's pretty gnarly. Wow. Pinky shift. Okay. Not bad. Yeah, I think the one thing I do notice about this is that it takes less, like I said, less force from your fingers to shift up because physics. I think I'm pretty sure I'm ready to tackle any racetrack now with these. Not gonna lie, it gives me that much more confidence. These are a nice addition. Very nice addition. Love it. Look how easy it is to shift. And it's got the clicking sound. I love the clicking sound. It makes it, I mean, one, you know you're already shift, but like two, to have the little authentic feel to it. It feels just like OEM. I just love pulling on this trigger. So fun. Alright guys, I think that's the end of today's video. If you guys are looking for this product itself, I will leave how to get in contact with the person that makes it. It's he's on Instagram, so it's fairly good price. He shipped it fairly good price, about 210 United States dollars, I say. But overall, I think it's a good buy. I mean, I'm loving it so far. But I'm definitely ready to use these on the racetrack. I think these will help compared to the previous ones. Very good feel, very good deal. So anyways guys, thanks for watching. I hope that I made it easier. I hope I gave you guys insight on what the three paddles and the differences and how they look and how they act and how they perform. If anything, if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And hey, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next one. Peace.